what's up DIYers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. In today's video, we're going to show you the best tool you can purchase and use to find studs inside plaster walls. Let's take a look. All right, DIYers at the workstation now, and here's how it comes in the packaging. Go ahead and open it up. Inside there is your instruction manual. I'll set that aside. And here is an up-close in-person view of the stud finder for studs inside plaster walls. And to calibrate it, you push and hold this little button and you wait patiently until the green ready light is stationary. And at this point, you are ready to find your studs inside your plaster walls. What I will do is post a link down below in the comments section as well as the description section on where to purchase this. So definitely check that out. And from here, what we'll do is head to the plaster wall and put it to use. All right, DIYers, here we are at the wall. And I believe this is the original wallpaper, which is awesome and incredible. Here is the plaster stud finder. And just by pushing and holding, it's going to calibrate. You'll notice the ready green light lights up. From here, you just press it against the plaster wall, and the more red lights light up, the closer you're getting to a stud, as shown here. And as you move past it and away from it, you will notice that the red lights dissipate and go away. And as we get closer to the next stud, the red lights will begin to light up and it will blink once we're over that stud. How cool is that? And I will go away from it and the red lights dissipate. Pretty neat. That's what I wanted to show you. So again, make sure you go out and get this exact stud finder. It is absolutely incredible. Hopefully this helps. Do us a favor, below the video, you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel, definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. And what we are going to do is actually use that stud finder to hang an entertainment center as well as a TV. And if you want to see that, definitely check out the link scrolling above. We just love this wallpaper.